Hi guys, welcome to Unbox Tech Traveler and this is your host Arjun. Welcome back to the channel and today it's going to be upgrade of my air filter Bullet Standard 500 that I own. So without any further delay, let's dive into it. So this is a Royal Enfield Standard 500 that I own, and as you can see, let's go. My vehicle is good 4 years old now, and this is a standard air filter that we get from Royal Enfield. It's recently been replaced, so let's see the difference. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to be an upgrading of the standard air filter to a BMC made in Italy. These are high performance air filters, you get it for all your vehicles. So for this you will need a size 10 spanner just to unbolt this. Let me unbolt it and show you. To unbolt this, you basically rotate this anti-clockwise, and it's a very easy fix, so really doesn't take much of an effort or experience, but and this plate does come off, and here we have our good old standard Royal Enfield air filter with a paper element on the inside. Comes with a mesh outside as well, so but still it's a paper sort of a material inside, which does not add real value, but for the price you've been offered, yes, this is a pretty decent priced filter. So for my air filter, I happened to pick this up about say around good 6 months ago, and this air filter has been replaced say around quite about the same time. So thought of upgrading on the same line. So this is the Royal Enfield air filter, and let's get into the box. It's a straight away box, and this is how you get your air filter. It'll be in a packet, and you get 2 stickers that says stop, do not discard, this vehicle is equipped with a lifetime air filter, and BMC sticker that you can stick it on your helmet or your bike. So this is how the air filter looks. So let me get into the box. So putting these 2 air filters side by side, you can notice this is a metal with a fabric sort of an air filter, and this is just a metal hose on the mesh on the outside, and there's a paper element, and as you can see, this is completely metal. Even on the inside it has metal as well as fabric in between, and dependable. So it goes like a straight fit like our regular air filters. See, that sits right in. You have to add the washer, and this is the stop nut. So it's a snug fit. There is no alterations, nothing to be done. It's a clean fix for if you're looking for any. So now you go clockwise, tightening it. So, and earlier, like I said, you do have 2 stickers. One is BMC air filters, and another one it says stop, do not discard. So just as a safety aspect, I would suggest you guys to paste this inside here, so that when you're giving your vehicle for service, so that you don't just dispose it accidentally also, because this air filter comes for a good price. I believe I paid around 4,600, I guess. So I'm not sure of the current pricing. So Let's see. But do not forget to paste this inside. Oh crap, it has to happen now only. I hope she's done. Okay, so do not forget to paste this. And if you're a forgetful person like me, just giving your vehicle for service and you're on a run, so just paste this so you can save your air filter. After the change of the air filter, definitely sounds very refined. So let me take the vehicle for a spin sometime, and I'll let you know for the review soon. Stay tuned, guys.
So I happened to take the vehicle out on a spin for a long distance ride. I happened to go to Munnar to see the Neela Kuranji. It's supposed to be the flower that blooms once in 8 years. Yeah, I guess I'm right. So it was phenomenal. The air filter change was a much worth it addition to the vehicle. So the performance is top notch, and the throttle response was too good. So overall, it's a very good buy. And thank you for tuning in. And this is your host Arjun signing off.